everybody, my name is Rishabh Iyer. I'm going to present a speech by Winston Churchill. This speech was presented in Westminster College, 1946. The United States stands at this time at the pinnacle of world power. It is a solemn moment for the American democracy, for with this primacy in power is also joined an awe-inspiring accountability to the future. As you look around you, you must feel not only a sense of duty done, but also you must feel anxiety lest you fall below the level of achievement. Opportunity is here now, clear and shining for both of our countries. To reject it, or ignore it, or fritter it away will bring upon us all the longer reproaches of the aftertime. The safety of the world, ladies and gentlemen, requires a unity in Europe from which no nation should be permanently outcast. It is from the quarrels of the strong parent races in Europe that the world wars we have witnessed or which occurred in former times have sprung. But what we have to consider here today, while time remains, is the permanent prevention of war and the establishment of conditions of freedom and democracy as rapidly as possible in all countries. Our difficulties and dangers will not be removed by closing our eyes to them, nor will they be removed by mere waiting to see what happens, nor will they be removed by a policy of appeasement. What is needed is a settlement, and the longer this is delayed, the more difficult it will be and the greater our dangers will become. Thank you.